if you have been on social media for the past weeks, Obo said there's trend beer ekoso anankomo bi ankofo edi enkomo ankofo di ni said President John Dramani Mahama ebe called the 13 and nam so mo nakasa be din komo say Ghana for man 4 years pe na ye 4 years nipa na already obedi odi bia no kwan baby.
The people of Ghana gave me a mandate for 1 term, and I am working hard to meet the promises I made them. And so I always tell my ministers, I say, let's number our days so that we can work harder to meet the promises we made the Ghanaian people. I note that people have gone to the Supreme Court seeking interpretation of the clause that governs the tenure of the president. If you ask my personal opinion, I thought that it was clear enough. Me, I've read it over several times. It's exactly what it says, but if they want to ask the Supreme Court, that is their business. But I know that the people of Ghana gave me 1 additional term, and I'm going to work to meet the trust that they put in me. Thank you very much.
But I'm not forcing to be which is dear, you were Mahama kind dear, on Kashi, Obetima can say in switch, Oba Bayeni Ghana for Air Case, Obayena, and then Amino Case, Prophet Isaac Bempah aiding Como, Ewan saw the Mona, and come away, I know she, Wahobo and Sembi so. Number 1, Tim said, maintain was here a cost or party, he is away, no be cost my party, no. Come say party ni bese was actually mu say akonya bi eni wo no mo a MPP for ba be di so na as a matter of fact akonya no obi ti so da na say enipa na wote so no kura ka say obesia tena so bi mu a onim ni obeya ma nipa no akoso atena sa akonya no so afis enam de MP party no ye eni nti no e wo so mo samba be pa ne cho na so pa ne cho kura po na akonya no onye ready say obe release akonya no ama MPP for atena so we na manfo e chese sam kombo ya oluman edidie ayen komo a we be in some so man kuti ha the great prophet Owusu Bempah edin in komo sifare
sorry Omuko Owusu Ose
oh God
for na etu abane Owusu yes, you want to MP before Traba. Antimagiwe. Okotonaba. Hey. Now, so for your Traba, sir. Muslim for na ekoto aba no MPP osofo di aba no mokoto constituency pinimin chen sofo ntene no moto aba no e wo hefa last week MPP for na ekoto aba na NDC betro mu de rabe later in the year. The MPP for Traba. Choose Hotman constituency executives. So,
oh God.
One be her parties or constituencies for the A. So many baby in the election 2028. And you won't far battle on to baby now. Na akonya be no betena so ana oma ayo makonya omho ya mesere mashada na mayedi ade omudi ye me no ade a meye MPP for odi esi nyina te Ghana ha ombe kwa muni mi on me ka mu fi se media agro mo de mu nheda nim me papa Osofo said abre Osofo said abre Ghana for no bebre take me serious ana eti me ka smaya omu take me serious Osofo said no omu family nsem say a joke no mama nkrofo be didi matam hey wo mo chemi anko mo ko me pane akume ewrade wo mbe ko a opa mo mo date nto senko mo kokumi na me se osun shekeji mo no mo ka sa agro na mi
Oh God.
wo da sie nyina tigana ha osofo sa eho osofo am say me kasa o mo fa no say ana me di agro na osofo me nam ho kwa adofo no ma me kan asem ni nkyerem enye se bia me kasa te se obi a on kan de a aso otu no ho da bi na me hyame dem munim sa me ntan piepie me hyame dem na munim de me ya na me dem ho am say mo no am say mo kra mo church members mo share da nim Asafo same kase ontena Ghana konya no so odi opa ye di obeye pia oboa enya me nkwan na me ye osofo o enya me nkwan na me ye odifu o asafo ana me ya say me kire di obewi ni election na nkofo bi challenge na munim me utie Yesu Kristo na yesom no no ono na ahenia nyina ye ne dia the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords.
That is why one of his accolades is that he is the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords.
Pharaoh akonyo otena
so from the kingdom of Pharaoh
akonyo otena
to the kingdom of Nebuchadnezzar,
Cyrus, Darius,
the kingdom of Cyrus,
Ahasuerus,
Ahasuerus,
Jehu, Ahab, Saul, David, enkonya a tete no na yes ankonya no
ancient kingdoms.
Yesu na no ye ncha
Jesus
time of farm is what they me ebeye n'adwuma.
At the time when Jesus called me to use me for his work,
adwuma de share me sase me meye no presidential way su ka ho bi.
Now one of the assignments God gave me includes presidential the power to appoint into presidential office. Now I did not copy what someone was doing.
Tamonya me starte se oname so hye nkoma kire ne a ode o man Ghana ahye ne nsa na me hu so odifo bi ahye sa.
Now at the time when God
we a political party,
so if you are a political party,
and now you nipa na person otena mamu akonya kese so,
or you are a person who desires to be elevated on the highest seat of the land.
Owusu Bempah ye me kasa wo boa wo twom ni betre ya pa wo boa MPP me mentan omo banko mo ko me pane akumi mo ko me pane akumi na ye kumi anka mo na mo be kumi obronsam kura ntimi nkumi na mo meteti wo mo sa suzum Eurade, Omu Buabuano, Medjirabu, Omu Yene, say Omu Nest. Ukumisu and ye, Until Mahasume Bomi Tuo. So we am peeping into our moon, and Yamoko Kanchira Omo, Tie, Utie, Moko Kancha MPP for an essay. I just want to call Owusu Bempah, Onyamia Kwa, Echo Copanicho. I just want Baba Pamicho. I just want Baba Pamicho. Ebrebo Copa Micho, Grant one Bishop. I just want Sam Pamicho. Nanu Pomba Pamicho, let me jade Cho Mokra, Aconiano, Omuya Metraso. See you at Tegana. And you mean Kwana Metuabao. Woman to me Trodia to Abamano by the 2 mean casa. The Yesu and actually depending on. But Tama na Harold Peso Kumi Yesu. Ah, Yesu 2 years. Was some country Harold Sacramento. So on to me Kumi. Momo Kako me Pani, almost said Bempah and call me Pani. I see a four. Omumubi, and your munina, and answer for Baby and Quasiafo. Siafo, Opeso by a president, Ewu Beso. Our Baba Tragana Punabeso. 2028 we now, Opa crowd, unchain, we ah. Now, one answer in Friso, no more metras. Huh? I can you a bit so. Also, Muslim say, I quite compare. What can I do? Any pan or tesono. So, no upon Trasso, on Trasso, or mammy who know your pass or money transfer. Remember that Transonia has will get me a challenge here. Would you sell pa? About ornamento. 2016. May say here, any pan to a banner above for crab to angels. I'm some moon said, leave me on. Now, who grab baby a quarter and I don't want to the team baby I may play. Also a power. Who could see an entry? Who see an entry? Yet the Yesu din yard Yausian entry. Oh, Kobe our bay ho. Yesu to me, Yajuma will say, Conform our bay. Malam our bay. See a 7 part. Also,
when and come on, the great prophet Isaac was Bempah Edi when I saw them. But I see this as a good news. Those say, be who say was saying declare war against the party. Now, we free as say, you know. I'm sure the betrayed here. But from where I sit, I realize this is one of the good news every prophet Isaac who's been punching a comma and before, because what you say, Omombra Mepanicho, that means he will be able to make peace with them. It will to me settle that peace with them because Ebusia say ya wona ya bo passe yen wo panin kun enu ya. I don't know how you would have acted. In say prophet Edin come say and before penny phobia, a year margin san come on the panier, ekuna. And that means it's a very serious issue. And you know, there's no need, say, he is to make peace with them. But Utienia, prophet Ekana, or some umbra, and say a panachobium. Not from panachobia, nothing a conyan once a mono, or map pehon as a maca. I think say it's a good news. Messi de Moise, why doing Chebia once on, Musubecho, there are 2 comments section with their man, because that's the only way we can know how you are receiving this news and also the understanding you are also building there. Na fani di mo subscribe page na mi adom honest mo say na mi upload ya so na unsa ebet maka makra